Hello and welcome to today's market update. Earlier today we had the release of the German trade balance, which came out at 18.7 billion versus an expectation of 18 billion. It is a good reading for the trade balance. However, we noticed a drop in both exports and imports by minus 1.3% and minus 1.6% respectively, which confirms the slowdown in the German economy. Also today we await the release of the February factory orders from the United States, with a reading of minus 0.5 as expected. We're gonna go over some of the major charts. Mainly, we saw on Friday the dollar weakening following a soft wage growth data, despite the creation of 196,000 jobs in March. Uh, Also, we saw President Donald Trump saying again that the Fed should be cutting rates instead of following a tightening approach. So we start with the euro dollar. It's still trading in a tight range. We expect some support near 12.05 and again at 11.80, with resistance seen towards 12.55 and 12.85. The USDJPY tumbled towards a low of almost 111.35. We expect some support near the 200-hour exponential moving average at 111.20 and again 110.80, with resistance seen towards 111.80 and again at 112.15. The British pound against the US dollar fell on Friday towards a low of 29.80. However, the comments of Theresa May on the weekend, which raised the chances of a longer extension, or she said that the United Kingdom would not be leaving the European Union without a deal. Mainly, there should be either leaving with a proper deal or not leaving at all. So this helped the British pound. We expect some resistance near 31.10 and again at 31.50, with support seen towards 30.15 and again at 29.80. Gold also edged higher this morning. We expect some resistance near 1300 and again at 1307, with support seen towards 12.93 and again at 12.85. Oil prices closed at the highest since November, as the ongoing turmoil in Venezuela and US sanctions on Venezuela and Iran are supporting the market, along with the OPEC-led cuts. We expect some resistance near 63.85 and again at 64.50, with support seen towards 63 level and again at 62.30, which is the 100-hour exponential moving average. We wish you a great and successful trading day, and thank you.